Welcome back! Today we're diving into how to add and subtract polynomials. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's review what a polynomial is. A polynomial is an expression made up of variables, coefficients, and exponents, combined using addition or subtraction. Each part of a polynomial is called a term. For example, in 3x squared plus 5x plus 2x minus 7, the terms are 3x squared, 5x, 2x, and negative 7. Terms that have the same variable and exponent are called like terms, and that's the key to adding and subtracting polynomials. When adding polynomials, we combine like terms. A helpful strategy is to remove parentheses, then group and add like terms. Let's try an example. Open parentheses, 4ab minus 5, ac plus 6, bc, close parentheses, plus, open parentheses, 3ab plus 2, ac minus 9bc, close parentheses. First, remove the parentheses. 4ab minus 5, ac plus 6bc plus 3, ab plus 2, ac minus 9bc. Now combine like terms. 4ab plus 3ab equals 7ab. Negative 5, ac plus 2, ac equals negative 3ac. 6bc minus 9bc equals negative 3bc. So the final answer is 7ab minus 3ac minus 3bc. Let's try another example. Open parentheses, 12 plus 5m minus m squared, close parentheses, plus, open parentheses, negative 3m squared, plus 8 minus 2m, close parentheses. First, remove the parentheses. 12 plus 5m minus m squared, plus negative 3m squared, plus 8 minus 2m. Now combine like terms. Negative 1m squared minus 3m squared equals negative 4m squared. 5m minus 2m equals 3m. 12 plus 8 equals 20. So the final answer is negative 4m squared plus 3m plus 20. When subtracting polynomials, think of the subtraction sign as being distributed to every term inside the second set of parentheses. Since the subtraction sign is equivalent to multiplying by negative 1, each term inside the parentheses changes to its opposite. Let's look at one more example. Open parentheses, 5x squared plus 2x minus 9, close parentheses, minus open parentheses, 3x squared minus 4x plus 1, close parentheses. First, distribute the subtraction symbol. 5x squared plus 2x minus 9 minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. Notice how every term in the second polynomial has its sign changed by the subtraction symbol. Now combine like terms. 5x squared minus 3x squared equals 2x squared. 2x plus 4x equals 6x. Negative 9 minus 1 equals negative 10. So the final answer is 2x squared plus 6x minus 10. So remember, when adding or subtracting polynomials, start by removing parentheses and combining like terms. When subtracting, always distribute the subtraction symbol to every term in the second polynomial first. After that, group your like terms and simplify. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay curious and stay fresh.